Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I was thinking this year I would kind of branch out a little bit, just a tiny bit, from my show's normal things that I do, which are radios and antennas, connectors, and stuff like that. And one of the things I do every couple of months is I go to the Dollar Tree store, which is now the $1.25 tree store, and I try to find props to use in my videos, little characters and stuff like that. And I try to find anything that is kind of electronics or gadgets or things that are useful for maybe my listeners. And so I picked up a couple of things today. I picked up a lot of things today, but here are a few things that I think might be of interest to you. Now, the first thing is not so obvious, but it's these little calendars. They're desk calendars. And if you open them up, if I can open them up, they actually stand up. And I got 3 or 4 of these for different reasons. I've got one to mark when I take my fiber drink, because I keep forgetting it, taking it. I'm supposed to take it once a day. Another one when certain shortwave station programs will be broadcasting. I'll put that in my shack. So it's kind of a cool thing to get. It's $1. Okay. The next thing is I saw this, is I always check out their pins because I'm always in need of pins. This is a 6-in-1 stylus pin. Again, $1.25. Take it out of the package here. At first, you think it's metal. It's not. It's not metal. It's plastic that feels like metal. But it does 6 things. It's a pin. It's a stylus. It's got a stylus tip on it to use with your tablet. It's got a ruler on the side. It's got a level. Where is the level? Right there. That little thing right there. That's a level. It's got a Phillips screwdriver, which is in this end. You unscrew this end. It's actually a Phillips and a slotted. There's the slotted, and you pull that, there's the Phillips. So it's kind of convenient. You're working on a radio or something, and you need something, and all you got is your pin in your pocket. It's pretty cool. And then the last thing is, and a flat screwdriver. Yep. Okay, so that's pretty cool. There's the pin right there. It's not going to last long, but it's $1.25. What do you expect? I think it's pretty cool. And then the coolest thing I found, which may be totally useless, is this emergency radio. And you charge the radio with this dyno in here, supposedly. Now, let me, at first I'm like, I can't get it to work. It just doesn't work. Well, you have to unlock that lever with this button here. Now it's unlocked. So now you can charge it. I haven't tested it to see how many times you got to do that to get any length of charge, and then you turn the light on. Pretty bright light too. It's got 3 big LEDs. I'll have to check it and see how long. It uses 3 1.5 AG 10 button cell batteries. Wow. And I don't know how. Yeah, it's got screws in it, so you can go in there and they don't charge. Now, I have bought radios similar to this. Matter of fact, I think I've got one on the other side of the room. That's your typical, long radio. And I got it, this was many years ago. I got it at a flea market, and It was the kind that you shake and it charges. Whoa, well, that's so much for that. You shake and there's a cylinder inside with a coil and it's supposed to charge. No, it doesn't. It's just got a couple of batteries inside. Once those batteries die, you throw it away because you can't get the batteries out. I don't know if this is going to be the same thing or not. I'll have to test it and let you know. $1.25, nice little toy to play with. So I think, I think what I'll do is maybe 3 or 4 times a year that I make this little journey to the $1.25 tree store. And if I pick up some stuff that might be of some kind of interest to you, I'll do a quick video. If you like this idea, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and say, yeah, that's not a bad idea. Or leave a comment and say, that's pretty stupid. You're wasting our time. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'm heading for that 15,000 subscribers. Have a great day. Bye-bye.